Gerstlauer is a German amusement ride manufacturer that are known for creating flat rides and roller coasters. This German manufacturer has really created some very impressive thrill coasters over the whole world. But what they're most known for is their compact roller coaster model called the Eurofighter. And I've decided to rank the top 5 Gerstlauers in their home country Germany. So now let's start the countdown. Now coming in at spot number 5 we got Seagull Blitz located at Highart Park. Seagull Blitz opened last year and this is a bobsled coaster made by Gerstlauer, and this is a very popular family coaster model. This ride has a track length of 1640 feet, a height of 68.9 feet and a maximum speed of 34.2 miles per hour. The name of the coaster translated to English is Brick Lightning, and Seagull Blitz is themed around a brick factory, so that's a quite weird theme. This roller coaster has a very weird start. It has a small rolling launch section where it goes backwards and then slowly forwards through a small pre-drop section before going up the main lift hill. And what I really like about Seagull Blitz is that the roller coaster mainly prioritizes bank turns and drops. It doesn't really prioritize these sharp bank turns as you see on most of these bobsled coasters. Now coming in at spot number 4 we got Highart located at Wild- und Freizeitpark Klotten. And now we're yet again back with another unique bobsled coaster. This ride features a length of 1745 feet, a height of 57.4 feet and a maximum speed of 34.2 miles per hour. And while Highart offers a way shorter ride experience compared to Seagull Blitz, but I still think this one is more aggressive and intense. The twisted first drop around the water ride and this huge structure looks awesome. This ride mixes in some strong laterals before going down this very twisted drop. And as you can see, Highart showcases amazing speed right here. After these trim brakes for capacity reasons, of course, Highart goes through these consecutive airtime hills, and this is just classic bobsled coaster layout. And well, what I really like about this roller coaster overall is that Highart is just short, punchy, intense and fast. You can't really get bored and think the coaster is quite dull here and there on this ride. Now coming in at spot number 3 we got Karaho located at Tripsdrill. And well, in terms of overall size, quality and thrill of these roller coasters, we have gone from 0 to 100 real quick. And even though the trains on Karaho features 2 rows of 4, it is not a Eurofighter, this is still an Infinity coaster. And the Infinity coaster is Gerstlauer's biggest and baddest coaster model. And the length on Karaho is 2296 feet. It has a height of 98.4 feet and a maximum speed of 55.9 miles per hour. And Karaho features a great variation in terms of inversions. You have some whippy inversions and some hang time filled inversions. You have the hardline roll, 2 dive loops and a corkscrew. Karaho starts out strong with a slow paced hardline roll in pitch black darkness. After that the ride dips down and goes into this intense LSM launch. The riders reach the top speed in just 1.6 seconds and then they go up into this amazing top hat element with a lot of airtime. The start on Karaho is just world class and the inversions are also great. But sadly Karaho is home to a few dead spots before and after the mid-course brake run. Now coming in at spot number 2 we got Fluke von Novgorod at Hansa Park. And I have recently visited this park and Fluke von Novgorod just blew me away. This was really the biggest surprise of 2025 so far. Fluke von Novgorod is part of the iconic Eurofighter coaster model, and these are known for being quite rattly and uncomfy, but this one is just glossy smooth. I don't know why. This impressive Eurofighter coaster has a track length of 2296 feet, a height of 131.2 feet and a maximum speed of 62.1 miles per hour. What's really great about this coaster is that it is heavily immersive and half of the roller coaster section is indoors, so you don't really know what happens. Fluke von Novgorod features an intense launch in pitch black darkness that takes the riders to the maximum speed in just 1.4 seconds. And in the end you have yet another indoor section with a vertical lift hill beyond vertical drop at 97 degrees, a wave turn and an awesome jump scare element in the end. I don't think Fluke von Novgorod can beat Karaho in just pure ride layout, but it is really the immersive experience and indoor section that makes up for it. Now coming in at spot number 1 we got Kernen located at Hansa Park. And well, surprise, Kernen is by far the best Gerstlauer in Germany and perhaps the whole world also. Buddha's Cannon is part of the Infinity Coaster model by Gerstlauer, and this one is by far the biggest and baddest in the world. I've recently made a video calling this roller coaster the scariest experience in the world, and it really is, because the indoor sections are that scary. And as most of you know, this is really a heavily themed ride experience with an amazing queue line. And now just listen to the stats. The length is 4,051 feet, the height is 239 feet, and this is where you got a 219 feet tall twisted vertical first drop out of the tower. Buddha's Cannon is a bit shaky, but the lap bar really helps. The rest of the roller coaster is a great mix of intense airtime moments and low to the ground intensity, and man oh man, the speed is just great. And when you think the ride experience is done, in the end you go inside and then you have one little element left to surprise you. And now we have shortly gone through my list of the best Gerstlauers in Germany, and please let me know in the comments below if you agree or disagree. And if you really like roller coaster videos like these, please consider subscribing to the channel, that would be awesome. And now at the end of the day, I'm always gonna say bye bye.